Thinking of upgrading to a luxury SUV that's compact, powerful, and packed with the latest tech? The 2026 Audi Q3 might just be your perfect match. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, your go-to source for the latest in automotive innovation. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about the 2026 Audi Q3. Audi's smallest SUV continues to make a big impression in 2026. The Q3 returns with subtle design updates, smarter tech, and a sharper driving experience, all wrapped in that unmistakable Audi style. Design. On the outside, the 2026 Q3 features a refreshed grille, sleeker LED headlights, and bold wheel options that give it a sportier, more refined stance. Inside, the cabin is upscale yet practical, with premium materials, customizable ambient lighting, and enough room for both daily commutes and weekend getaways. Performance. Under the hood, the Q3 offers a turbocharged 2.0-litre engine, delivering smooth acceleration and confident handling. With Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system standard, you get impressive grip in all conditions. It's not a performance SUV, but it's quick enough to keep things fun. Features and tech. Tech is where the Q3 shines. The 10.1-inch touchscreen with Audi's MMI system is responsive and intuitive, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. Driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and a 360-degree camera help make every drive safer and more relaxing. Conclusion: the 2026 Audi Q3 blends luxury, performance, and tech into one sleek package, ideal for anyone who wants premium features in a compact footprint. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to share and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more car content coming your way.